Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Camry brake light. First, gather your essential tools: a Phillips head screwdriver and a new 7440 brake light bulb. Always ensure your car is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. This straightforward process is quick, typically taking only about 15 minutes from start to finish, making it an easy DIY task for anyone. Now, let's access the brake light. Open your trunk and look for the two retaining screws holding the tail light assembly in place. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove both of these screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back towards you. It should slide out without much force, revealing the wiring and bulb sockets. With the tail light assembly free, identify the brake light bulb socket. It's usually the larger one. Twist this socket counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock it, then pull it straight out. Now, simply pull the old 7440 bulb straight out. Take your new 7440 bulb and push it firmly into the socket until it's seated. Reinsert the socket into the assembly and twist clockwise to lock it securely. Before fully reassembling, have someone press the brake pedal to confirm your new brake light is working. Once confirmed, carefully slide the tail light assembly back into its position, ensuring it aligns properly. Reinsert and tighten the two retaining screws with your Phillips head screwdriver. You've successfully replaced your brake light. For more great tips and deals, including a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, please check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.